the Premier Inn at
Heathrow Terminal 4. This is a family bedroom. So you got the main bed there, and you got two smaller beds. And Jeff's already claimed it with his bag there.
It's not the massive room, but we're here just before we fly off.
It's just one night.
New York in the morning.
I don't know what view we've got.
Like car park. No airplanes.
No, so I think that's the terminal over there. So yeah,
There's the Hilton.
there's the Hilton, which is also attached by that walkway you can see over there, and the Holiday Inn Express.
Cool. Yeah, that seems comfy enough.
And you've got your normal working space desk there.
Usual stingy tea and coffees. Bearing in mind, I have 3 coffees in a morning.
No, you need to. So a stool there, not quite sure what that's for. I'm sitting on, obviously.
Sit on.
Spare pillow and duvet and stuff is up there at the top.
Yeah, a few hangers.
Towels down there.
Hairdryer.
There is a pull-out storage there, but we've got our bags in front of that. Bathroom. You got more towels. Floor towels there. There's big overhead rainfall type showers. And you got the new Bayliss and Harding shampoo. So it's the same for the hand wash there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice clean.
Right. Yeah. Will do.
Yes, that'll do for our one night before we fly out to New York tomorrow morning. Yeah, you got the TV. There's the menu there.
Is that breakfast?
The main one.
Ah, you can scan that. We'll do that in a minute. We've got to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all real soon.
This Premier Inn's been really good actually, because it's literally 4, 5, depends on how fast you walk, minute walk, undercover as well, all the way to Terminal 4. So that's a little tip for you guys.